Mr. President, my name is Tenzin and I'm in the 5th grade.
Hi, Mr. Obama. My name is Tenzin. I'm a senior here at Redford High School.
I'm Tenzin Chokkyi and I'm a senior at Somerville High. We're all Tibetan Americans living in Boston, Massachusetts. So today, Mr. President, what we want to tell you is how the situation inside Tibet is worsening day by day. In just this past month of November, 28 self-immolations have occurred.
I think it's important to note that these are actual individuals who are taking their life for a cause and just for basic human rights inside Tibet, such as to sing the national anthem or raise the Tibetan flag in Tibet.
As our President of the United States and as a global citizen of this world, we deeply urge you to speak up for Tibet.
Now is a crucial time to act because there's a transition in power occurring inside the Chinese Communist Party. So if we want to act, now is the time to act.
So Mr. Obama, please help save Tibet.